Continuing coverage of the train derailment south of Seattle, and so many questions. This current report that's out there that there might have been something on the track that caused this. We cannot confirm this. Waiting to find out more from investigators. With us now is Dr. Nathan Selden. He says that he was just happened to be driving by the crash scene when he got out of his car to help some of the victims there. Dr. Selden is chairman of the Department of Neurological Surgery at Oregon Health and Science University in Portland. Doctor, thank you for being here. Tell us what you saw.
Well, Shepard, thanks for having me. It was really something that I never imagined I would see, and I hope I never see anything like it again. There were train cars scattered down the embankments on both sides of this crossing and actually down onto the highway. Dozens upon dozens of first responder vehicles and patients being triaged and getting ready for transport to area hospitals.
What did you do specifically to help people who were there? Tell us what you found yourself in the middle of.
So I stopped. I wasn't sure if I'd be more in the way or more help, but they did say immediately, the head EMT folks and firemen, that they needed medical support. They took me over to the triage tents, and I worked with a radiologist from Air Base Lewis McChord and a nurse from one of the local hospitals who had also just driven up. And we were looking at patients and making quick checks of all of their extremities and their chest and abdomen and neck and spine and head, figuring out who was injured and how badly, and making sure that the priority patients got straight into ambulances and to the right hospital so they could be further treated.
Without specifics about anyone in particular for obvious reasons, what sort of injuries were you seeing?
So the very most severely injured patients had already been taken out. I was there about a half an hour after the accident occurred, I think. Those were scoop and run. These were patients with moderate injuries and less severe injuries. It was a very sudden deceleration from the way it sounded, so there was a lot of back and neck sprain. There was a number of fractures, pretty severe pelvic fractures and arm and leg fractures, people who had big gashes and lacerations that needed to be repaired, probably some skull fractures, but fortunately the people I saw were conscious and talking to me.
Dr. Selden, it's mighty good of you to stop there and help out, and thank you so much, Dr. Nathan Selden, for talking to us this afternoon on scene earlier today.